Hi everyone. Waving hand. Today I'm going to introduce an amazing Unity asset, Smear Effect tool. This tool helps you add smooth and natural dragging and stretching effects to your objects, making your game look much more dynamic and alive. With just a few simple steps, you can create stylish motion smear effects that greatly enhance your game's visual appeal and interactivity. Main features: 1. Very easy to use. 2. Natural stretching effect for objects during drag or motion. 3. Multiple adjustable parameters for full control. 4. Supports URP, HDRP, and built-in render pipeline. 5. Excellent support and compatibility. I've added the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment below. I hope this tool will be helpful to you. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.